Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford Focus transmission. Begin by safely lifting the car, supporting it on quality stands, and disconnecting the battery to prevent shorts. Remove the drive axles, drain the fluid, and label electrical connectors for easy reassembly. Support the transmission with a jack, unbolt the mounts, and separate it from the engine using steady, controlled lowering. Keep parts organized and take photos to guide reinstallation. Start by draining transmission fluid and removing drive axles to reduce weight and clear access. Detach linkages, harnesses, and the starter to free the bell housing area and expose mounting bolts. Support the transmission with a sturdy jack, then remove mount bolts while keeping alignment noted. Slowly lower the unit, watching for wires or exhaust interference, and set it on a bench to inspect the bell housing, clutch, and torque converter for damage. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more repair walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated with a leak-proof cap, easy one-handed drink, and durable insulated design for long shop days. Check the description for the link and other deals to save time and money. Enjoy staying refreshed while you work. Now let's get back to the video. Watch for common issues like worn clutch components, damaged input shafts, and leaking seals that can complicate removal or reinstallation. Bent mounts or stripped bolts may require extraction tools or replacement hardware to proceed safely. If the transmission is seized to the engine face, apply penetrating oil and gentle heat where appropriate, avoiding wiring or seals. Keep a torque chart handy for reassembly, and consider professional help for alignment or structural problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.